the rod tip guide is broken, so I'm going to change with a new one. You can buy a kit, a rod tip repair kit. It's got a glue stick and the spare rod tip. Okay, so first thing that we want to do is to remove the broken tip. In order to do that, we have to hit it for 3 to 5 seconds and then remove it. The tool that you need is pliers to hold the rod tip. So the first thing that we should do is to remove the tip. I'm gonna hit it for 3 to 5 seconds. Okay, so the rod tip came off. Alright, I'm gonna clean the tip a little bit. Okay, so this is the old tip. This is the old rod tip, and this is the new rod tip that we're going to put. So we're going to, before we put it, let's try it first. So this is how it should go. Okay, so that's how it would look like. Alright, now all we have to do is put the glue in. First we have to hit the glue. We melt the glue, okay? And then put some glue in the rod tip. Okay, I guess that's enough glue there. And the next thing that we need to do is hit this. Okay, let's see.
Touch the bunny.
Alright. We hold this with a plier. Okay. And then hit it, and then insert it.
Touch the bunny.
Okay, then make sure this tip is aligned with the other guides. Okay. And that is how you prepare a broken rod. Thank you for watching.